Several people are diving into crypto all across the world and extracting massive amounts of money from it. A decade ago, nobody ever heard about Bitcoin beside a handful of geeks and cypherpunks sitting in some quiet corner of the internet. In March 2020, investors dumped stocks and risky assets as they fell 50% in a single day. Yet 12 months later, the prospect for digital assets has never looked brighter. The price of Bitcoin briefly surpassed $60,000 per coin in March. Other tokens saw similar gains, pushing the total cryptocurrency market capitalization to over $1.5 trillion. Several large institutions like Tesla and Square joined in this action and added Bitcoin to their balance sheet. As the crypto market is growing, many Bitcoin billionaires undoubtedly took a chance and saw a huge gain in their net worth. So if you're looking to find out who these billionaires are and how they get the title as crypto billionaires, you must watch this video. Hello guys, this is Connor from TechLocker, and today in this video, we'll look at the top 5 richest cryptocurrency billionaires who made billions of money that will blow your mind. Hey, wait! Before starting our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. So let's get started. Number 1. Satoshi Nakamoto, $32.5 billion. Well, we haven't found the real person behind creating the world's largest cryptocurrency in terms of market capitalization. Several potential candidates have been revealed so far, yet the big man behind running the crypto train seamlessly remains mysterious in the minds of several people. In 2008, Satoshi Nakamoto gave the idea for inventing a Bitcoin in a white piece of paper as the world was struggling to come with a major financial crash. In the earlier times, Bitcoin was generally mined on a normal, everyday computer, a far cry from the vast and power-consuming mining farms of today. At that time, the net worth of entire Bitcoins were worth just a few cents. However, the Bitcoin's price didn't get any attention at the initial stage. In 2010, an honest trader tried to auction 10,000 BTC for the price of $50. Several people started to think as a joke, and nobody took up on the offer, which would have given them $500 million over a decade. After some years, which means in 2013, the price of Bitcoin suddenly started heating and showed a good response. When he mined Bitcoin's Genesis block, he also set aside 1 million BTC for himself at the start of the project. With the price of Bitcoin sitting at around $32,000 at the time of writing, this makes Satoshi's stack of 1,058 BTC worth around $32.5 billion. This enormous price made by Satoshi made him the richest crypto billionaire in the world. From 2009, his wallet has remained untouched and the funds will never likely to be accessed by him. Number 2. Sam Bankman-Fried, $10 billion. There's a major gap between Satoshi and Sam on our list, though this one is lucky enjoying around his newfound wealth. In 2014, Sam completed his degree at MIT before he set up a liquidity provider and trading company named Alameda Research. At that time, he was often known, but after he went on to set up an FTX exchange, and now he is the founder of the Serum Decentralized Exchange for good measure. All these achievements looks amazing and impressive, yet this man is not even 30 years old and already gained a massive and well-respected figures in crypto. Both his company Alameda and FTX exchange are known as giants with a valuation of $3.5 billion, and soon it's going to reach at a peak of $400 million by the end of 2021. Much of SBF's wealth is tied up in the FTX equity he holds, as well as a major amount of the exchange's FTT tokens. Well, it's likely to see that Bankman-Fried will become a lot richer in crypto as the time goes by. At the recent pace which he's going, he has the potential to rule out a White House run in the 2030s. Number 3. Brian Armstrong, $6.5 billion. I know you all have heard about Coinbase, right? Well, it's the popular and largest, most popular crypto exchange in the world. Several investors make their entry in crypto through Coinbase. Well, Brian Armstrong is the co-founder and CEO of Coinbase. Yes, you heard it right. He started his career as a software engineer and later on teamed up with former Goldman Sachs trader Fred Ursum in 2012 to develop Coinbase. In 2012, Coinbase was launched in San Francisco. It grew rapidly and was valued at $8 billion in 2018 when it secured $300 million in a financing round. However, the revenue went up on increasing, and in 2020 it is reported that Coinbase's net worth is around $1.14 billion, which was $483 million up from the previous year. As of March 2021, the valuation of Coinbase rose to $68 billion, and Armstrong's is having a 20% stake in the company means he is now one of crypto's richest billionaires. The listing of Coinbase on the Nasdaq exchange will be a big moment for the crypto space. However, Brian Armstrong is not the hungry crypto big shot out there, though he does tweet regularly to his 500,000 plus followers. Number 4. McCree Jean, $3.2 billion. Next up on our crypto rich list is one of the more cryptic and less well-known figures to feature here is McCree Jean. McCree Jean, along with this partner with Wu Jihan, together made a plan and set up Bitmain, which is now the largest manufacturer of cryptocurrency mining chips and other hardware in the world. Jean was born in Fujian, China in 1979 and studied electrical engineering at Shandong University and later took on a master's degree in microelectronic engineering in 2004. In 2013, Jean and Wu together set up Bitmain as the company was well settled to capitalize on the crypto boom which came along afterwards, reporting revenues of $2.5 billion in 2017. Things have changed sour after 2017 for Jean and Wu, who was struggling to control the company. Now, he was eventually in a good position and has the ability to buy enough company shares to make himself the majority shareholder and reclaim his position as CEO. However, there was a dispute between Jean and Wu for a certain period. In December last year, a settlement was made of $600 million, which resulted in the company's split between the two founders. Although both these founders were battling out of control and not conducting a business together, both Bitmain and Jean now seem to both be doing all right. While the net worth of the company is between $40 billion to $50 billion, it is looking to be branching out into artificial technology sector to broaden its market. Number 5. Changpeng Zhao, $1.9 billion. Another uber-wealthy crypto exchange founder is the best known of them all. Changpeng Zhao, the CEO of Binance, better called as CZ, became a market leader after the launch of his own cryptocurrency in 2017. He was born in Shanghai and later moved on to Canada for further graduation with a degree in computer science from Montreal's McGill University. After working in several cities like New York and Tokyo, he returned to Shanghai and founded Fusion Systems in 2005. Fusion Systems is known for building trading software for banks. It was while in Shanghai that he first heard about and began investing in Bitcoin, reportedly selling his house in order to invest in it. In 2017, Binance went live and was headquartered in Shanghai. After the launch, this cryptocurrency took a boom and started to grow at a rapid rate. After a stint in Japan, he changed his headquarters and shifted to Malta with its ever-growing staff working remotely from across the world. However, in 2019, Binance gained the spot as one of the biggest names in crypto with expected profits of around $1 billion for 2020. After initially falling flat, BNB has gained massive value over the past year with a market cap behind only Bitcoins and Ethereums. So guys, this was our video on the top 5 richest crypto billionaires in the world. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and we will be happy to hear from you. And if you are a fan of our videos, then be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for spending your quality time with us.